Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Riu Aquarelle, which is set to open in May 2024. That's less than 12 months from now. Now this project is 60% complete. This is the building of a 753 room property in Trelawney. It's actually just on the outskirts of Falmouth. Now, this project, I must say, it's moving at lightning speed. You guys have seen the videos. By the time you blink your eye, the project has advanced. I have never seen so many construction workers on one site before in Jamaica. I've said it before in the videos. So they expect the construction to end in December of this year. Now, based on what we've seen, and I think they will hit that deadline, and they've actually started to take bookings for this hotel for May 2024. Now, this will be the 7th hotel that Riu operates in Jamaica. I think the only hotel chain that's close to having 7 in Jamaica, or probably has more, is Sandals. Okay, so we're going to go through an article giving you an update on what's going on with this project. Visitors to Jamaica's north coast will have an even wider variety of places to stay, with the Spanish hotel chain Riu Resort set to open its new 753 room Riu Aquarelle in Falmouth, Trelawney on May 4, 2024. Prime Minister, the Most Honourable Andrew Holness, Tourism Minister, Honourable Edmund Bartlett, and Chief Executive Officer, Riu Hotels, Carmen Riu, broke ground for the new resort's construction in April 2022. Riu Aquarelle will mark the 7th addition to the group's portfolio in Jamaica, 22 years after the first hotel's establishment in 2001. Speaking during a press conference at Riu Montego Bay to provide a project update, Construction and Administration Manager at Riu, Francine Wright Acosta, said the new property, which promises a luxurious experience for its guests, is 60% complete. Mrs. Wright Acosta advised that the structural work would be completed by December, setting the stage for the final touches to be added, leading to a grand opening. She emphasized that the project's commitment to supporting the local community, with a workforce currently comprising 750 Jamaicans and 200 foreign workers on the construction site. Riu's Regional Director for Jamaica, Frank Southern, said the new resort will provide employment for over 700 people, noting that Jamaicans will comprise most of the staff. The component of foreign workers in all our 6 hotels together is less than 0.5%, with several of our assistant general managers in the highest categories being Jamaicans. All our heads of departments are Jamaicans, and the rest of the staff as well. So in Falmouth as well, we are following the same step, he said. For her part, Riu's Director of Sales, Norco Garcia Linton, said the hotel chain's expansion reflects the unwavering confidence the management has in Jamaica as a premier tourist destination. In 2024, we are going to have 7 hotels in Jamaica. I think this really speaks volumes of the confidence that the Riu family has in Jamaica as a destination, she said. Mrs. Garcia Linton informed that Palace Aquarelle travel agents commenced marketing the property in July and have already secured bookings ahead of the 2024 opening. The hotel will feature an adult water park, a children's pool, water slides, swimmer pools, and 6 restaurants. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update. And I must say, this project started in 2022 and it's going to be finished December 2023. This is truly a step forward for Jamaica. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this project, and we will give you updates on this project every 2 weeks until it is finished, and we will keep you informed of the grand opening. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.